Welcome guys to Igor in Russia Sveaborg series, and today we're exploring the Vuosaari Skatanniemi part of the Sveaborg fortress, which is the only battery from the front line which is accessible for civilians. We're now inside the bunker space and the crew bunker. This is extraordinary. Please click subscribe. Remember to give us a thumbs up, comment and share the videos. I appreciate it a lot. That helps me to develop my channel more and more. Igor in Russia, Finnish edition. There's plenty of doors to get inside the bunkers, and we're gonna do exactly that. So keep on watching, let's go. This is a Finnish community garden. All right. Stuff we do for the channel. We need to go through Finnish deep forests with dangers lurking on every corner, behind every stone and behind every tree. So I'm standing on the Imperial Russian concrete dock of the battery of Vuosaari Skatanniemi. We are close by to the battery, and you can see the remains of the dock over here. And behind me, right next to the dock, we can find remains of the barracks. It was a long building because it housed 200 workers. Here's the foundation, some concrete from that era. So right next to the battery we can find old concrete factory, a building where they laid the concrete. Well, what's left of it. Yes, we found the road. Closing the battery of the First World War of the Sveaborg fortress. Oh my god, I can see it now. The battery of Vuosaari Skatanniemi. Foundation for the cannon, 6-inch Canét cannon, which originally was produced and ordered from France and later on reproduced in St. Petersburg in Russian factories. It was supposed to be a huge cannon. It was built actually quite late. It was built in 1916 during the First World War. They built this battery for 4 Canét cannons. The battery was completed, but the cannons were not placed, and even in 1918 it is said that the cannons were actually laying around over there somewhere on the beaches waiting to be placed, but they were never placed. Well, some of the buildings were not completed, for example some command posts and some other buildings, because well, Russia detached itself from the war in 1918, and you know the rest of the history. So here's the entrance to the second part. So it consists of 2 parts, one on that side with 2 cannons and 2 cannons on this side. Here's the second cannon, the foundation for the Canét cannon. All that was left to do was to place the cannon, and it was operational. For the last century, not much has been done to preserve it, unfortunately. The This place has been deteriorated like big time. So moving on even deeper. Some water dripping on my head. The battery had 190 square meters of space for the crew. So the battery had 2 traverses with 190 square meters of cellar space and a 25 square meter bunker space. The supporting structure, the metal structure has been taken away, but it's still intact, but it's damaged badly, as you can see. Oh, more space. So it's built on top of this peninsula on Vuosaari Skatanniemi, and it's gorgeous. I'm gonna go on the other side. Does it look like? All right, so whoa. It's a popular place for locals to visit because it's a park, kind of sort of a recreational park. So coming through the path that goes between the two sections of the battery, we're gonna explore now the second one over here. Whoa, there's a different vibe on this side of the battery. Nice accommodation. Alright, so kind of a similar bunker areas, just like on the other side. Oh, I think we're gonna go inside anyways. Dangerous steps. Really cool limestones all over the place. This is what 100 years looks like. Beautiful sights. I wouldn't mind serving the Imperial Russian Army on this location. Thanks a lot for watching. Remember to subscribe, hit that like button, and give me also a comment down below what you think of the videos, and continue watching my next episode of Russian Finland, more about Russian Finnish history and of course Russia in general. See you guys in the next video. Bye.